guys, welcome to this channel. My name's Aiyanna and I post every Tuesday. Today's video I'm doing my hair. Well, I did my hair and I'm gonna show you guys how I did it, and you guys can follow along and do it too if you want. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so I start by drenching my hair with the spray bottle, and then I go ahead and part my hair like the way I want to split it for the ponytail. So then I go back in with the spray bottle to drench my hair more because it dried, and then I go ahead and start slicking back my hair with a very hard bristle brush, but you have to make sure they're really close together or you're gonna get like gaps in your hair. And I use Eco Gel because that works for me just fine. And so I slick back the smaller part first because that's just easier. And once you start getting to the back of your head, make sure you go the same direction that your hair is parted, or it's just gonna look weird. Now I put my hair in the ponytail, but make sure you don't put it too tight. Only put the ponytail 3 times, because if you put it too tight, then it's gonna stick up at the back of your head. Now I take my edge brush. Now you can get this at any beauty supply store. It's really cheap. It's like $1. And basically one end is like a toothbrush, almost like the brush you use to slick back your hair, and the other end is like a comb, and that's really good when you do your edges. So as you can see, I'm just putting my finger to the tip of my head and then the comb, and then I swoop it. Now as you can see, I just did the second edge, and then I went back in and was fixing it and stuff, and then I did the second part of my head off camera because it was being really complicated, and yeah, it was just difficult. Okay, so right now I just fixed the top of the hairs that are all coming out, and I recommend using a lot of water when you use gel because it makes your hair more movable, and then you could just wait till it dries and it'll be fine. And after I fix all the little hairs that I feel sticking up, I fix the little side curls, the curls on the side of my head, because they always are uncooperative and it looks cuter when they're curled. So as you can see, I work my way into getting it to curl. I recommend you just wrap it around your finger and then hold it there for a few, and then it'll end up curling itself. You just need to make sure you put water and don't put gel at first, because that'll make it stiff and it won't curl at all, if you have my type of hair anyway. And then I put gel on the other one to keep it stable, because it won't stay if you just leave it there. It's not gonna stay, it'll come out. So yeah. Once I finish my little side curls, I go in with the spray again, and I separate my curls and drench them, because if I don't, then they're gonna be very dry. Next, I go in with this spray called Curl Booster, and I just scrunch it into my curls until I feel like I have a good amount. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope you try this hairstyle. Make sure you like and subscribe and come back next Tuesday.
You don't know what love is if you don't put up a fight.